Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students. It's time to move up, get smart, learn English, get a lifestyle.
Actually, I get up early in the morning, then go to washroom and get fresh. Then I say my prayer. After that, I go out for morning walk. Coming back home, I start my homework. Completing it, I get ready to go to my school. In the evening, I visit around the town. Sometimes I try to play badminton. In the weekend, I make a tour. Before sunset, I come back home. Coming back home, I get fresh. Um, then I complete my homework and enjoy television along with my parents. Then all of our family members have supper together. Next, I go to my personal room and join my personal work. Then I go to my bed, and that's all.